Stoic motivation. Achieve greatness through calmness. Welcome to Motivational Inform, where we explore powerful insights to help you grow, stay focused, and reach your full potential. Today, we'll dive into how Stoic philosophy teaches us to achieve greatness through calmness. Life can be chaotic, but with the right mindset, you can stay calm, motivated, and on the path to success. Let's explore how Stoicism can help you stay grounded and achieve your goals. 1. What is Stoic motivation? Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us how to maintain inner peace, even in the most turbulent times. But how does this relate to motivation? Unlike fleeting bursts of energy, Stoic motivation is rooted in calmness and self-control. It's not about chasing excitement, but about cultivating a steady drive toward greatness, regardless of external distractions. 2. The calm in the storm. How Stoics stay motivated. One of the core teachings of Stoicism is to focus only on what you can control and to let go of everything else. This mindset keeps you calm in the face of challenges. When you accept that external events are beyond your control, you conserve your mental energy for what matters most: your actions, your decisions, and your goals. By staying calm, you avoid the emotional roller coaster of ups and downs. This emotional stability is the key to long-term motivation. 3. The power of purpose. Stoics believe that a meaningful life is guided by purpose. When you know your why, motivation comes naturally. Whether it's improving yourself, helping others, or achieving a personal goal, having a clear purpose keeps you focused even when things get tough. Take a moment to reflect on your purpose. Ask yourself, what drives me? Why am I doing this? Write it down, and whenever you feel your motivation slipping, return to this purpose. 4. Practicing calmness through Stoic exercises. Stoicism offers practical exercises to help you stay calm and motivated. One of the most effective is the dichotomy of control, separating what's within your control from what isn't. This simple practice reduces stress and helps you stay focused on what truly matters. Another powerful exercise is negative visualization. This involves imagining the worst-case scenario, not to dwell on it, but to mentally prepare yourself. When you're prepared, challenges lose their power over you, allowing you to remain calm and motivated. 5. How to turn adversity into opportunity. One of the most empowering lessons from Stoicism is to view obstacles as opportunities. Marcus Aurelius, one of the great Stoic thinkers, wrote, "The obstacle in the path becomes the path." When you encounter difficulties, instead of resisting them, ask yourself how this challenge can help you grow. This shift in perspective turns adversity into a powerful source of motivation. Imagine facing a setback in your career. Instead of becoming frustrated, view it as a chance to develop new skills or rethink your strategy. Every challenge becomes a stepping stone to greatness. 6. Building consistency through self-discipline. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-discipline, which is key to long-term motivation. Greatness isn't achieved through occasional bursts of effort, but through steady, consistent action over time. Stoics believe in focusing on the process, not just the outcome. Break your larger goals into daily habits. Focus on small, consistent steps every day, and over time, you'll see remarkable progress. Achieving greatness doesn't require constant excitement or bursts of energy. Instead, it's about staying calm, focused, and driven, no matter what obstacles you face. By applying Stoic principles of motivation, you'll find a deeper sense of purpose and a steadier path to success. If you found value in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Motivational Inform, and let me know in the comments how Stoic wisdom has helped you stay motivated. Remember, stay calm, stay focused, and keep moving forward.